by this river, you and I, underneath the sky that's ever falling down, 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 ever falling down.
You knew this was coming, this is years in the skies. That is what I told her, wipe the tears from my eyes. She said, I thought you'd be there even when the sky falling. I thought that you would pick up if you knew that I was calling. And I find it so appalling that this is what it's come to. You used to be my finish line, now who do I run to? The one that I can count on, arithmetic 1, 2. Feeling like Alicia cause I know there's no one who is gonna love me like you, like you. And that's just being real with it. I said, baby, this the hand that we was dealt. We was dealt. So now we gotta deal with it. And I know that we used to say never, but baby, we stay together, we fight like Mayweather. So I think it's time to break up. And we was dreaming, I think it's time to wake up.
Here we are, stuck by this river, you and I, underneath the sky that's ever falling down, 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 ever falling down.
Hit you last night, but you did it right back. Problems, we should face it kinda like a Skype chat. Remember when I showed you my status? You like that? Remember when we met and I told you that I might rap? Well, I think that you should listen, cause school is getting tough like concrete when it stiffens. Instead you want to diss me like Meg and Peter Griffin. I know that it's hard trying to make the transition. I got confidence in the fact that confidence in the map couldn't figure out where we're at. A love that is lost better than what never was. Yeah, we thought it lasts forever, but fuck it, it never does. And numbers don't lie, so how we supposed to beat them? You got my love locked down, I'm fighting for my freedom. And I know ever since you stopped calling, every single day it feels like the sky falling.
Here we are,
Damn.
stuck by this river, you and I, underneath the sky that's ever falling down, 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 ever falling down.
But love is passion. Obsession. Someone you can't live without. I say, fall head over heels, find someone you can love like crazy and who'll love you the same way back. Forget your head and you listen to your heart.